Venice, the capital of northern Italy's Veneto region, is built on more than 100 small islands in a lagoon in the Adriatic Sea. We visited Venice many moons ago in 2004. This was one of our first European tours that we did from UK. Nearly 18 years ago, well before the time of smartphones and Facebook, we were young and we had a Sony Handycam to record our experience. That time, picture format of 640 by 640 on our Handycam was tiny in contrast of today's photography on our smartphones. Technology has progressed since then. We now live in an era of 4K, where even 1080p HD format is a thing of the past. So we took our old video files and remastered them using artificial intelligence or AI to smoothly change the format of the old video to suit a full HD experience and also enhance the color of the video as naturally as possible. We reached Venice by taking a ferry through the Grand Canal, visited a Venetian glass factory before taking a gondola ride through the small canals of Venice. It was one of our most favorite travel experiences, partly because the uniqueness of Venetian canals, beautiful red tile roofs, and architecturally gorgeous footbridges. Venice has no roads, just canals, including the Grand Canal, lined with Renaissance and Gothic palaces. It was built on a group of 118 small islands that are separated by canals and linked by over 400 bridges. The central square, Piazza San Marco, contains St. Mark's Basilica, which is tiled with Byzantine mosaics, and the Campanile bell tower, offering views of the city's red roofs. There were cafes, live music, people, and pigeons that felt like truly European and Venetian. The famous Venetian glasses are the different types of glassware made in Venice, typically on the island of Murano near the city. We visited a Venetian glassware factory beside the canal and experienced a live demonstration of making a Venetian glass flower vase. It was just great.
There is a young man. He will show you a blind demonstration make a flower vase. Glass is into the oven. Glass is made out of sand, soda, and potash. The different color glass covers minerals oxide. Takes 18 years minimum to become a craftsmanship. Then application of two handle, and then when this is finished, you have to be placed into an heating oven and cool slowly for 24 hours. Otherwise, if we leave it outside, it will break in 2 minutes. Really? Now, two little handles. Oh, sì, sì. Cosa fai? Non ho niente a mettere. Cosa fai? Mi devi tutto pure.
Oh my goodness.
How do you like it at night? Bravo, Daniel!
After the Venetian Murano factory, we took a gondola ride on the Venetian canals. A Venetian boatman who propels a gondola is called gondolier. They wear a black striped uniform, while they use a stick made of brass, stainless steel or aluminium called ferro. Decorative in nature, it helps to balance the boat. It acts as a counterweight to the gondolier who stands in the back of the boat. Gondoliers propel the gondola while they continue to speak in Italian to welcome the tourists. They say jokes and they sing beautifully. Gondolier of our gondola started singing soon after. His voice was vibrating between the buildings beside the canals, making the slow ride a very romantic one. It was amazing sailing through the canals, passing through the old and dampened buildings beside the canals, sailing under the beautiful footbridges, and meeting some locals having a rest on the stairs. Please enjoy this short video of Venice by Gondola that we remastered for you using artificial intelligence and machine learning. Thanks for watching our travel videos.
Ma ti ho i conti che ti ha fatto? I conti che ti fa fatica? Ti fa tanta fatica? Nada, guardi che scuola lei. Lei che va. Ma non sei neanche a male però.
Kiss me, my darling, be mine tonight. Tomorrow will be too late. It's now or never.
Big barbershop.
Hotel. Oh, it's barbershop. Oh,
Hello friends, we are Rituban and Urunima, the Diversity Travelers. We live in Hobart, capital of the beautiful Australian state Tasmania. Experiencing the diversity of this wonderful world through travel is our passion. Over the last 15 years, during our time in England and Australia, we have traveled to 6 continents, 40 countries, and over 50 great cities and extraordinary natural wonders. We are creating short videos based on our own recordings to archive our beautiful memories and share with you on our YouTube channel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more regular video uploads, share with your friends and families, and enjoy the world's amazing diversity. Thanks for watching our travel videos.